So here is another question. It is given that a body describes 10 meters or it travels 10 meters in the third second and 28 meters in the sixth second of its motion. Okay. If the motion is uniformly accelerated, how far will it go in the seventh second? So you remember when we derived the equations of motion, we derived the distance or displacement of the object in the nth second. Okay, please check the basic derivation, the mathematical derivation, where I have derived these formulas, these equations, and it was given as initial velocity u plus acceleration a by 2 into 2n minus 1, where n is the particular second. Okay, nth second, this. So here it is given that S3 in the third second it is 10 meters, in the sixth second it is 28 meters. Okay, that implies S third is nothing but u plus a by 2 into 2 into 3 minus 1, that is equal to 10. That implies u plus this one 5a by 2, that is equal to 10. And here this is u plus a by 2 into 2 into 6 minus 1. Here we are just substituting n with the respective values. Here n is equal to 3, here n is equal to 6. So here it is equal to, that is equal to 28. That implies u plus 11a by 2, that is equal to 28. These are the two equations that we have, equation 1, equation 2. Let us say we subtract equation 1 from 2. So that will be u plus 11a by 2 equals to 28 minus u plus 5a by 2 equals to 10. So that will result in u would get, they will get cancelled. This will be 6a by 2 equals to 18. That implies a is equal to 18 into 2 by 6. That is equal to 6 meters per second square. Okay, acceleration is 6 meters per second square. Now we have to determine the initial velocity. We can use whichever formula here. Let's say u is equal to 5a by 2, u plus 5a by 2 is equal to 10. That implies u plus 5 into 6 by 2 equal to 10. That implies u plus 15, 263 is 15 is equal to 10. That implies u is equal to minus 5 meters per second. Okay, this the initial velocity. So here, if we put these values, okay, if we put these values, we have been asked to find the displacement in the 7th second, that is S7, that is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2 n minus 1 for n is equal to 7, which is equal to minus 5 plus 6 by 2, 2 into 7 minus 1. That is equal to minus 5 plus 3 into 14 minus 1. Minus 5 plus 3 into 13. 39 minus 5, which is equal to 34 meters. So in the 7th second, the object will travel 34 meters. Okay, 34 meters. Okay, so it was basically, this whole question was based on this formula. The displacement of an object, of an uniformly accelerated object in the nth second. Okay, this. So here is another question. It is given that a body moving with uniform acceleration, it covers 24 meters in the 4th second and 36 meter in the 6th second. Calculate the acceleration and initial velocity. So again, it is based on the displacement during the nth second, okay, the particular time. So it is Sn is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. This equation of motion it is based on. So here it is given that in the 4th second it covers 24 meters and in the 6th second it covers 36 meters. That implies u plus a by 2 to 2 into 4 minus 1, that is equal to 24. And here that implies u plus a by 2, 2 into 6 minus 1, that is equal to 36. So that implies u plus 7a by 2 is equal to 24 and u plus 11a by 2, 2 into 6, 12 minus 1, 11 is equal to 36. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. So subtracting 1 from 2, it will be u plus 7a by 2 36, u plus 7a, this is u plus 11a by 2 and this is 11a by 2. By mistake I have written here 7, okay. This one is 11a by 2. Okay, 11a by 2 and this is u plus 7a by 2, which is equal to 24. Comes minus, minus, minus. So u gets cancelled. This becomes 4a by 2, which is basically 2a, and this is equal to 12. That implies here the acceleration is equal to 6 meters per second square. That is the acceleration. Initial velocity, using any of these equations we can determine. So let's say we pick u plus 7a by 2, that is u into 6 by 2, that is equal to 24. Okay, here we just substituted a with 6. Okay, a with 6. That implies u is equal to, this is here 2, 4, 3, in the 73, 21. So u is equal to 24 minus 21, which is equal to 3 meters per second. So here the initial velocity is 3 meters per second. So we are asked to find the acceleration and the initial velocity, and we determined it. Yeah. Acceleration is 6 meter per second square, initial velocity is 3 meters per second. So basic, just this formula you have to know. I have already derived it. in the basic concepts and mathematical derivation, both with the help of basic expressions and method of integration, also in the graphical way from the velocity time graph. So you can check that out. Okay, so this is another question which you have solved.